What do we talk about when we're airsofting?
Chicks.
And
Sex.
And sex.
Been working out, right?
And personal trainers.
Now and then guns.
Remember what I said? Do that. Good.
You're recording this, right?
Yeah, I'm recording this.
I seek you out, slay you alive.
Alex Knuckles.
One more way, you won't survive. And I'm not scared of your stolen power.
Whoa!
See your eyes through you anyhow. I seek
Go. A little bit more. You're good. You're good. You touched us. You touched us. Hey, that's the bell. That's the bell.
One more way, you won't survive. And I'm not scared of your stolen power. See your eyes through you anyhow. I see. Slay you alive. One more way to survive.
Watch out, Max, watch out! Hey, shoot these guys, shoot these guys, shoot these guys.
Of your stolen power.
Go.
See your eyes through
No problem, homeboy. Thank you! Where they be at? Yo. I just hit you in the backpack! Hit! Thank you. How's it going? Thank you. You're taking heavy fire! I love how we're just talking about girls and guns while shooting people.